Hi, I'm Peng-Sang Cau, Vice President of Emerging Markets and Symphony at ATS Automation. I'm here today to talk about Symphony, why I love it, why I think it's such a great technology to help our customer get their product to the market faster, how it's going to help them reduce their operating expenses. So what is Symphony? That's always a question. And the easiest way to think about Symphony is basically it's a standardized, scalable, modular assembly platform. Unlike traditional equipment where every single machine is custom designed and custom built for a specific product or specific process, Symphony, every single machine is configured from standard building block, from the mechanical point of view as well as from the control architecture. Each of these building blocks have been pre-designed, pre-tested, pre-built, and pre-validated so that when you're buying a piece of equipment, you're not worried about the risk associated with buying custom equipment. And that's what makes Symphony at a highest level so amazing, because it really de-risks the whole equipment purchase process for our customer. That's really just the beginning.